Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the GreenForest Coffee Table with storage. A perfect blend of farmhouse style and modern functionality for your living room. This small square center table boasts a seamless one-piece tabletop, ensuring a smooth and flawless appearance that's easy to clean and maintain. Crafted with a sturdy X frame, it can hold up to 200 pounds, providing optimal stability for all your daily needs, whether it's large decorations, books, or beverages. The two-tier storage design offers a versatile top surface for decorative items or drinks, while the lower shelf provides extra space for books, magazines, or remote controls. With its simple farmhouse style, this coffee table adds rustic charm and elegance to any home decor, making it a versatile addition to your living space. Plus, assembly is a breeze with no complicated tools or professional assistance required, allowing you to enjoy your new table in just 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.